if you are Singaporeans, all right, and you want to manipulate the Facebook by having a lower ad spend by switching your account to Malaysia, and I'm going to put here Malaysia and I'm going to put here Malaysian currency, because you thought that if I spend 10 ringgit is the amount is equivalent as $10 Sing. Okay, to be honest, you are wrong. Okay, because every country, okay, there is a penetration cost. All right. For example, in Singapore, $10 can get you 1,000 people. Example, $10 can get you 1,000 people. But you bring your $10 to Malaysia, we are looking at 4,000 people. For $10 of Sing dollars spent in Malaysia, you're gonna get about 4,000 people. But if you bring that 10 ringgit into Singapore, all right, your 10 ringgit is going to reach out to you about 300 people. And don't forget, when you are being charged, right, there is a conversion charges. So it's actually you are getting more. So you are actually spending more. Sorry, you're not getting more. So you are spending more. So to me, if you are Singaporean, stick to Singaporean. If you are Malaysians, if you are operating out of Malaysia, stick to Malaysia. Philippines, Jakarta, Thailand, just stick to that country. Okay. Remember this: every country has their penetration level and penetration cost.